Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pawns.App weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Pawns.App and we click here in this page. As you see on page app or app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.